Sorry, my phone ran out of storage. It looks like my phone just ran out of storage, so that's probably why my storage was full. That's why I had to switch to my iPad. So, yeah. Go straight to Messenger. If we go straight to Messenger, I am going to get my girlfriend on the phone in a few minutes so I can do my system test. So yeah, yeah, if you. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just test the smoke detector, and I'll put you guys like right here. Let me turn you guys around. Now, without further ado, we're gonna start the system. Let's go. So you may notice the strobe is already flashing. And it's playing the Star Spangled Banner. I don't know why my detector's not working, so... Oh, there it goes! As you may know, it is now an alarm. It's now an alarm right now. It's gonna go up. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Please do give a comment. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Farewell.